It's a great day at Western GMC Buick. We're located on the corner of 184th Street and Stony Plain Road in Edmonton, Alberta, Canada, or online at westerngmcbuick.com. Today we're looking at the 2021 GMC Terrain SLT Elevation Edition. We're going to start by taking a look inside the front of the Terrain. The driver's door has power locks, the programmable memory seat, power windows with an auto express window, the child lock button, power adjustable side mirrors, the power liftgate button where we're able to set that opening to maximum 3/4 or turn it right off, door storage, and a premium Bose sound system. To the left of the steering wheel, we have some lighting controls and dials, as well as the park brake, all-weather floor mats on the floor, a power adjustable driver's seat with lumbar support, leather interior, and a power moonroof up above. Next, I'm going to climb in and we'll take a look at the steering wheel. The left side has our cruise control buttons with forward collision alert and a heated steering wheel button. And on the right side, we have our audio controls. Up next is our driver information center. We're able to scroll through that dash by using the arrow buttons on the steering wheel. Up above, the programmable garage door opener, power moonroof buttons, OnStar, and a place to store your sunglasses. This is GMC's infotainment center, equipped with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. This touchscreen displays the outside temperature, the time. It's also equipped with navigation, and this screen doubles as our backup camera with or without guidance. Dual climate control buttons with air conditioning, the park reverse drive buttons, some USB ports and power plug-ins, no slip matting, 2 cup holders, heated front seats, lane departure alert, hill descent control, 2-wheel drive, 4-wheel drive, and off-road mode. At the front of the Elevation Edition, we have the darkened grille, LED headlamps, fog lights, 19-inch gloss black aluminum wheels, a 1.5-liter turbo engine under the hood, black side mirrors, black roof rails, rear tinted windows. Those side mirrors have side blind zone alert as well as the turn signal indicator. Keyless access on the door handles, so as long as you've got the key fob on you, push the silver button to lock or unlock the doors. Remote start, the rear window wiper, and the power liftgate. I'm going to pop that liftgate open using our key fob here and pushing that button twice. In the trunk, we have plenty of cargo storage space, cargo mats, cargo hooks, the levers to fold the second row seating down, a power plug-in, and a storage compartment down below. Next, we're going to take a look inside the back of this 5-passenger crossover. The passenger door has power windows, door storage, and a door speaker. The backs of both front seats have got seat pockets. The back of our center console has the rear fans, the USB ports, and a 120-volt power plug-in near the floor. On the floor, we have all-weather floor mats. Our middle seat here folds down into double cup holders or an armrest, and we're also able to fold the rear seats down by pulling the lever on the top of the seat. So come take a look at the 2021 GMC Terrain SLT Elevation Edition, or you can visit us online at westerngmcbuick.com.